If you're looking for a way to make a little extra cash while browsing the web, you might have come across the Qmee app. It works by showing you search results and sponsored content while you use Google, and you earn points every time you click on them. Then you can redeem those points for gift cards or PayPal cash. Sounds easy, right? And yes, Qmee is 100% legit. It's been around for years and is even owned by Polefish, a real research company. So it's not some shady app trying to scam you. But here's the deal. Don't expect to get rich. Most people say earnings are super slow, like just a few bucks a month unless you're doing a lot of clicking. Also, the pop-up ads can get annoying, especially if you're focused on work or study. So, should you use it? If you want a completely passive way to earn a few bucks while you search online, yes, give it a shot. But if you're serious about making real money fast, you'll need something more than Qmee. Let me know how much you've made with Qmee. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. New reviews drop every week. See you next time.